Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Victor. So, I just finished fixing the Simbans Picasso tab. It's an Android tablet. Well, that's the screen. Just changed the digitizer. So it was pretty bad. But, this is it all done already. I think it looks pretty good. It turns on and everything. Looks cool. Well, if you need anything like this or have something like this that needs to get fixed, I can help you out here. I fix cell phones, computers, tablets, and game consoles. My name is Victor. My phone number is 760-660-6925. My social medias are at the bottom of the card. You can check out my website at www.cellphonerepaircoachellavalley.com. All my prices will all be there. Thank you for everything, and see you later.